Namaste, with the hope that you all are healthy and safe. Once again, I am back with an idea on one more theoretical proof from the chapter Circle. This one is the sixth video, and pictures on the screen are related to the previous videos already published in my channel from the same chapter. In the given figure, we are expected to show angle PBX and angle QBY equal. Let's start the solution with the figure and given informations first. Figure, conditions given, and the one that need to be proved must always be written first. Now construct the statements and regions table. By studying the figure, angle XAP is equals to angle QAY, as these two angles are vertically opposite angles formed by the intersection of two straight lines XY and PQ. Similarly, angle XAP is equal to angle PBX in the first circle, as both of these angles are standing on the same arc XP. Thirdly, angle QAY is equal to angle PBX, which comes from the statement 1 and 2. Then angle QAY is equal to angle QBY in the second circle, as both of these angles are standing on the same arc QY. Finally, from the statements 3 and 4, we can conclude that angle PBX is equal to angle QBY. Hence, with this much, the given statement is proved. I hope this tutorial helped you in solving your curiosity. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the video if you enjoyed. See you in the next video from the same chapter. Have a nice day. Bye bye.